Hi crafters, Kathryn here with iCraft Vinyl. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove HTV from a shirt that you no longer want it on. If for some reason you made a mistake, you might have put it on backwards, or it's just not staying on as well as you would have liked it, and you want to just take it off so you could do a whole new project on it, I'm going to show you one way to do it. You could also use an iron. I prefer to use my EasyPress. This is not very safe, but pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to take your EasyPress, you're flipping it over. Obviously I need to clean mine. And you're sticking your shirt over it. It's just going to heat up your letters, and as it's heating up your letters, you can just weed it off. Another way you can do it is you can press it backwards like this, just to warm it up a little bit. And you pretty much just, I prefer to keep it on the iron because then it's warm, so I can just pick it up. So you just get a piece. You want to be careful because it's hot. You want to be as careful as you can when doing this so that you don't burn your hand. Since I can feel the heat coming off my machine right now, I want to be very careful not to hit my machine. And I'm just going to grab a piece and pull. If you have a heat resistant glove from like a flat iron, you can use that as well. The glue marks I'll get off later. I mostly just want to get the letters up right now. Alright, because I don't want to overheat my shirt, I want to take this off for a little bit. Press the inside. I'm just barely poking it. It's just peeling right off because it's so hot right now. I'm going to be careful though because I don't want to burn my shirt or set my house on fire. As you can see, these come off pretty quickly, pretty easily when they have that heat on them. When you do it the other way, it takes a lot longer, it gets really frustrating. This way is a lot faster, that's why I do prefer to use my EasyPress over an iron. If I really wanted to, I could grab my iron, which is sitting next to me on the floor, flip it over and do the same thing. But you're gonna get a lot higher temperature with this. You're also gonna have a lot more chance of burning yourself with this as well. So just take your time, be careful, make sure you're watching where your hand is. Or both hands are. Whatever tool you have that gives you enough reach that you can grab what you're trying to pull off is probably the best. I started using the tweezers just so I can grab more in case there's an edge that picks up. And then I can just grab it with this and then pull. So I'm almost done. It's just got a little bit left. You can see here, I'm taking off most of the letters. What I will do is I'll wash my shirt just to get out the glue that's left in the shirt before I will put another design on this shirt again. But this is just a quick, easy way to show you how to remove your vinyl. It is very easy when you have a press like this, because all I'm doing is I'm flipping it over, sticking this on, and making sure it gets enough pressure on the shirt so that I can just pick up what it has dropped. And I'm not really doing anything, like originally when I was first doing this, I had to put a lot more pressure on the shirt, a lot more on it just to be able to pull anything up. But since this is sitting on directly on the heat, it's super easy to do. Sorry, I wish I had. All right. So this is just how it's gonna look when you remove your vinyl. You will sometimes, this one has been on here quite a while. So as you can see, I still have the markings of what was there before I removed it. I have all my scraps over here to show you what was removed. But pretty much this is just the glue that's left. I can just wash it and it'll come right back out. All I have to do is really wash it and it's gonna come out. So this isn't a huge concern to me. So I hope this was an easy way to understand how you can remove vinyl you don't want there. This is the easiest way for me to show you it using an EasyPress. You can use an iron. The more heat and the faster and the longer the heat is on it, the easier it peels off. As you saw, I was able to get things off faster when it had been on the heat a little while versus when it was something that hadn't been on the heat. So I hope this video made it super easy to understand, and thank you for watching.